Tom Whalgren from ASUGNews, talking to SAP customers about critical process and automation testing projects and the benefits. Today, I'm here with Tara Elmore from CenturyLink as an IT manager. Tara, tell us about why CenturyLink went with high-speed process automation testing.
Hi Tom. We wanted to ensure our regression testing was accurate, that we were consistent with all of our test scenarios. We apply hot packs yearly, and we want to ensure that our testing is consistent.
And those were tested on what types of enterprise applications were you guys working on?
We primarily started with materials management, procure-to-pay processes, requisitioning, material creation, vendor creation, and then we moved into more complex scenarios, approvals, release strategies, things like that. We also utilize Worksoft for our HR processing, testing, and we're expanding the use in project systems and assets as well.
So tell me about some of the time savings that you've realized at CenturyLink.
We've been able to speed up our testing time we've reduced it down to 1 week depending on some of the processes that we're testing. We've been able to test more often some of the things that we might not have tested for smaller change requests. We've been able to utilize Worksoft to test those functions that we didn't think maybe would have an impact, just to ensure that they don't. So it's helped speed up our ability to move changes into our production environment.
And that's great, huge benefits there. What about for your staff and as well as for business users?
For our staff, they've been able to focus on other aspects of our business, changes going into the system, end user assistance, and less time on executing all of those test scenarios. Kicking those test scripts off and letting those run, following up to see what the results were, it saved them time.
That's great. Glad to hear about the big savings. Must have been some lessons learned for you. Like, what is the one that stands out for you?
You have to have a commitment. A tool is only as good as the use of it. So
Absolutely, right?
You have to have the commitment to put somebody in that position to ensure that you're consistently using the tool, that you're keeping it up to date. As processes change, as data changes, you have to make those changes within the tool as well. So it is a commitment.
Always a good thing for an IT project, right, is that commitment. Lastly, has there enabled you to do one big thing for the business users where people are like, we love you, Tara, like this is, when you said this is our aha moment with this project?
Yeah, our business users may not understand all of the impacts that it has for us, but we're able to help them on other projects, I think is probably the bigger impact to them. We are trying to roll it out more to our business users, get their input. What can we help with recording? How can we help them make their processes and their testing more efficient?
That is great. Thank you so much for all those insight. We love to hear these great member stories.